Alright, I'm gonna be dueling MightyMuck for the first time. He reached out to me on Discord. He doesn't have a mic right now, but we're doing it on edopro. I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the brains. We're ready. Dude! Wonder what deck he's using. JM, you still there?
Yeah, I'm just eating.
Okay. Oh, he got me. Oh, he's going to extra. And I'm on a forehead. Oh, he's using dinos. He baited me. Oh no. What did he do? He summoned Oviraptor, down Babysaurus, and passed? The heck was that? On a meltdown? Ooh, he's gonna ash it. That's okay. Because I have Alistair in my hand. I'm gonna trigger him. Get the invocation. Link it off for Salamangreat. And Yugioh Gardner. Now I'll activate invocation for Mechaba. Banish the Alistair and the Secure Gardener. Yugioh Shokan. Invoked Mechaba. Invocation. Activate. Graveyard activate. Add back. Shuffle back. Oh, look at that. I could actually get rid of them. Yeah. Okay. Maximus. Banish. To put him in defense. Oh, he's gonna Nibiru me. He's gonna Nibiru me, but I'm gonna activate Mechaba. Oh, I didn't even know that. Wow, I could Mechaba Nibiru. Ah. Maximus, activate. I'll do Titanic Glide and Elder. Antis. Now he's gonna have to do the same thing. Antis will target and destroy a card. This is Overraptor. The battle. Mecha with direct attack. I need to. What the heck is this? I made this too. Ternendo. Ash Dragon will either add or special. I'm using a special and defense. Ecclesia. I'm gonna get Fleur de Lis to my hand. Dogmatica card. Lost World, huh? You know what? Solemn judge that. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. What if he's going first? I really don't know what to do. To the side, maybe. Maybe that's it, and I'm not even gonna side. Round 2. Dude! Oh, he made me go first. The heck? Please, yeah. Normal effect. It's got something. I'm gonna ash it. That's okay. It's gonna ash and then what? Gamma? Is that possible? Lot agreed. Come on. Out of the cards. Fernando. Set a card. Lost World. I'm going to Cosmic Cyclone, pay 1,000. Target and banish the Lost World. Oh, what? From your hand or graveyard. What the fudge? Special summon from your deck. Oh, look at this. I could ash that. What? You could gamma it? You could gamma. I guess so. What? Oh. And that's gonna be. Yep. Ulti. Ultimate Conductor Tyranno. Oh no. Just thinking if he wants to go to Dragoon or not. Oh, no one's gonna battle. Driver. Destroying Ecclesia. No. Tyranno. Direct attack. Come on, how did the cats? Come on. My dear servant. Okay, now I gotta do. Which one is it? Okay, I thought it was Maximus's effect there. Yeah. Send Entis to special Ecclesia. No, to add him to my hand. Entis pop. Do I go for Makaba? Yeah, I think I do go for Makaba here. Alistair normal. Activate effect. Get invocation. Oh, I couldn't even go to Makaba because of. Dear servant. Crap. Fernando. Oh, oh, he's just setting a monster. I'm out of the cards. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Makaba now. Now I can go for Makaba. Link for Almirage, link for Secure Gardener. Then activate Invocation for Makaba. Graveyard Alistair and Secure Gardener. Yugioh Shogun. Invocation. Recycle. What? For the rest of the turn, I could spell something from the deck and then use Ecclesia. Activate Kokehatsu. Kokehatsu. Activate effect. Effect. I'll get Fleur de Lis. Fleur de Lis. No, can I still normal? I could still normal summon. That's awesome. Now I'll do another Ecclesia. Okay. My battle here. Ecclesia. Attack that face down monster. Fleur de Lis will increase their attacks. Oh, it's a baby Stegosaurus. Destroyed. Another Ecclesia. Attack for 2k. Fleur de Lis 3k. I think it's this game right here. Yeah. And then Mechaba attack. And then unnecessary. Pump him up. Finish him. Woo! Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Alright guys, that's the first time ever dueling MightyMuck. You reached out to me on Discord. And comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.